Everyone's talking about AI, virtual reality, and labeling them as cutting edge technologies. But let me tell you, the real game changers are happening quietly, almost invisible to most people. I have scouted the deep trenches of today's popular trends, and what I found could shape the next decade of technology, business, and even your personal life before anyone even realizes it. While everyone's busy chasing headlines, these silent revolutions are building unstoppable momentum, and the ones who spot them now, they are going to be years ahead. Today, I am breaking down 5 tech trends everyone's ignoring, but you definitely shouldn't. Let's get into it. The first one being tiny AI models. Everyone's being dazzled by massive AI models like GPT-4 and Gemini. But the silent revolution happening with tiny AI models is quite underrated. These small lightweight models run directly on your phone without needing a constant internet connection. Tiny AI is insanely efficient and doesn't require your phone data to be sent back and forth across data centers, making it private, cost-friendly, and efficient. It will have massive applications in countless fields in futures, like in health. RoboCure uses artificial intelligence for personalized treatments of children with type 1 diabetes, and soon you will find tiny AI application in mobility and logistics too, even in the way your car navigates traffic. Companies like Apple, Qualcomm, and even startups are racing to make tiny AI a part of your phones, watches, and even cars. This is a race to replace cloud dependence with device intelligence. And for anyone worried about privacy and speed, tiny AI is about to solve those problems forever. Trend 2: Edge computing. We all know that data from our phones and devices travels to far away servers for processing. But with edge computing, that's about to change. Now data will be processed right where it's created, directly on your devices. This means faster responses, lower latency, and a future where real-time AI decisions happen instantly, whether it's autonomous cars or smart factories making split-second decisions. Microsoft has already invested $5 billion into building this intelligent edge technology, and Amazon and Nvidia are also doing the same. So it's clear we shouldn't just treat this as a nice to have technology. Edge computing is about to change the game, and those who understand this technology today, they will be miles ahead of curve in just a few years. Trend 3: Quantum computing. We have heard a lot about this buzzword, but what does it really mean for you, your business, and even your personal life? See, in the coming era, traditional computing will struggle to solve certain problems, including optimization, climate modeling, cryptography, and a hell lot more. And it's obvious. In this situation, quantum computing will definitely find its rise because of the ability to solve problems in seconds that could take traditional computers years. Sure, the headlines have been full of big promises, but behind the scenes, serious progress is happening. Trend 4: Spatial computing. Every few decades, the way we interact with technology evolves, from keyboards to touchscreens. Now here comes spatial computing. Spatial computing blends the digital and physical worlds so seamlessly that your environment becomes your interface. You can picture some of the examples: Apple Vision Pro, data floating beside real world objects, Meta Quest, and when these are paired with AI, this tech won't just display info, it will see, understand, and respond to your world. Spatial computing is quietly rewriting how we will work, learn, and live, and this is revolutionary. Trend 5: Synthetic AI. When AI is trained, it requires tons of data. But collecting that from real world is slow, expensive, and often full of mistakes. Now imagine creating fake data that looks, feels, and behaves like real data, but without the mess. That's synthetic data. Take an example. Doctors can train medical AI without using real patient records. keeping privacy safe, while still teaching the system everything it needs to know. Big companies like Nvidia and Google are already using this to speed up AI training. In the future, most AI might be trained using no real world data at all. This changes everything: faster AI, cheaper testing, and way fewer risks. These were 5 trends that I think are the future. And the purpose of this video is to help you stay ready for what's coming. And learning about these will put you ahead. If you are into cool gadgets, check out this video where I talk about 5 banned tech gadgets that are still available. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can keep bringing videos like this. Peace out.